Create professional-level beats from your phone. No studio gear needed. That's the bold promise behind Beat App Pro, an app that claims you can build full tracks, export stems, collaborate live, and even pitch your music for licensing straight from your mobile. Influencers show it working in cafes, airports, and even on the go. It sounds like the perfect tool for aspiring producers, but if you've ever tried beat-making apps before, you know there are always trade-offs. Limited sound libraries, weak export options, hidden subscriptions. So is Beat App Pro the real deal in 2025, or just another flashy app that overpromises and underdelivers? Let's dive in and see if it's truly worth your time and money. I've tested dozens of mobile music production tools over the last 3 years, from GarageBand and FL Studio Mobile to beatmaker apps and full DAW replacements. I've created tracks, used them on real projects, exported files to desktop, and dealt with the limitations. When Beat App Pro rolled out its 2025 update, new live collaboration mode, expanded sample library, 10,000 plus sounds, and high-quality WAV exporting, I grabbed it. I spent 2 weeks making 3 different tracks: a hip-hop beat, an ambient loop, and a pop song skeleton. I exported them, shared with collaborators, and tested whether the app held up under real-world creative pressure. What I found might surprise you. Beat App Pro's marketing revolves around 3 major claims. Claim number 1, studio-level tools in your pocket. The app says you'll get mixing, mastering presets, automation lanes, and high-quality exports, all from your phone or tablet. Claim number 2, massive sound library, Palpo's live collaboration. It claims 10,000 plus royalty-free samples, one-tap chord progression generators, and a live real-time collaboration mode so multiple users can work on a track simultaneously. Claim number 3, monetize your music easily. Beat App Pro says you can export stems, upload to streaming platforms, and even access licensing marketplaces directly from the app, turning your phone into a full music business hub. These claims are compelling, but let's test them in practice. Installation was smooth and the layout is modern. The 2025 update improved performance, but older phones sometimes lagged. The 10,000 plus sample claim is real and royalty-free, which is a strong plus. However, many premium sound packs are locked behind additional in-app purchases or a higher subscription tier, so all sounds isn't accurate unless you pay extra. Exporting high-quality WAV files, 24-bit 48 kHz, worked well and imported cleanly into desktop DAWs. The new live collaboration mode functioned, but we experienced a short lag, DAD08S, and occasional crashes when editing the same automation lane. Furthermore, advanced tools like master bus compression or parametric EQ are simplified versions. They are usable, but not the full studio replacement suggested. The monetization gateway lets you submit tracks to a licensing marketplace, but actual acceptance requires meeting additional criteria and often extra fees. The free tier is very limited. Exports and collaboration are locked. The Pro version costs $9.99 a month. User feedback on Reddit mirrors my findings. It's good for sketching ideas on the fly, but I always finish on my desktop. The verdict. So is Beat App Pro worth it in 2025? The short answer, yes, but with caveats. If you're a mobile-first creator, often sketch ideas while on the move, want royalty-free sounds, and don't mind paying a subscription, this app delivers strong value. The workflow and export quality are legitimately useful. However, if you're a serious producer used to full control, advanced mixing tools, and desktop workflows, Beat App Pro is a great companion, not a full substitute. Some premium content is hidden behind extra costs, and the mobile environment still limits certain features. In other words, it's worth it for idea generation and light production. It's a step toward full production, not the complete studio.